Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 ramp races. First, let's understand the goal: launching your car off a ramp to cover the greatest distance or achieve the highest speed. Choosing the right vehicle is your first step. Look for cars with excellent acceleration and a balanced suspension. You'll want something that can quickly build speed and maintain stability. We'll cover how to approach ramps, control your car in the air, and land perfectly for maximum points. Mastering the approach is vital for a successful jump. You should aim to hit the ramp at maximum speed, so keep your foot on the accelerator. Crucially, ensure your car is perfectly straight and centered as you drive onto the ramp. Any last-second steering adjustments or braking will destabilize your vehicle, leading to a less effective launch. A smooth, direct approach sets you up for optimal airtime and distance. Once airborne, you have a surprising amount of control. Gently use your steering to make minor adjustments to your car's direction. To control your car's pitch, a light tap on the brake will dip the nose, while a touch of the accelerator will raise it. Your goal is to land flat on all four wheels. This technique minimizes impact, preserves your speed, and prevents your car from spinning out upon landing. To truly master ramp races, continuous practice is key. Don't be afraid to experiment with a wide range of vehicles. Some cars excel at specific types of jumps. Try out different ramp designs, from gentle slopes to steep inclines, to refine your technique. Reviewing your replays can offer valuable insights, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. With dedication, you'll be consistently hitting incredible jumps and dominating the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.